In the Saffron fields, Qasim Kashmiri. Hunt me in the saffron fields, or beneath the almond trees, where I sob, where I mourn, or under that silver moon, my only night mother, or nearby shores of Jhelum. Those console me every dusk, or in the shade of gloomy sky, when stars graze my eyes, or on the stained paper, where blood sinks in verse, or in the chambers of your heart that vibes only my name, or in the echoes of melody, where my absence is rhythm, or into that filled red glass that hides your wrapped, or in the depth of your soul that claims half mine, or in my unrhymed poems, where you sound as loud, or in my thirsty glance that endures thy absence, or find me nowhere, O beloved, but in the depths of thy soul.